Are you looking for some innovative flooring solution? Are you looking for a polished concrete contractor in New York City? You won't find a more reliable choice than Southside Concrete Polishing. Our expert team of flooring professionals offers a variety of different techniques and materials, from epoxy resin and industrial surfaces to refinishing solutions. Our polished concrete options remains the cost-effective way of adding lots of wow factor to any property. No matter how complicated your unique design preferences remain or where you need to see our installation team, we guarantee the best results possible for less every day. Our staff has the level of experience you need for faster completion times and a better quality of finish, no matter what scope of work you have for us. When you need to know that you have given your home the best team around, you won't see a more qualified option than our contractors. No one else in NYC comes close to our level of quality that we achieve every day. One of the most prominent reasons for polished concrete becoming as popular as it remains is due to much of the materials already existing in your home. Your polished concrete surfaces are, surprisingly, the topmost portion of your house's concrete slab. Much like basement floors, you're standing directly on what we use to create the finished product. Once we have completely stripped away the existing flooring surface, we can begin building your new systems. First, we scrub away any remaining residues, stains, and other contaminants, giving you the best quality of finish in the end. From there, much of the work is sanding down the surface until it's smooth and even like tile. The longer we polish your bare concrete floors, the finer the grit that gets used. At that point, you can inform us of whether you prefer a rougher finished coat or a high gloss finish. Southside Concrete Polishing has the answers. During the sanding process, we can add in a variety of colors and patterns, helping you to customize your floors fully. When you need a unique and cost-effective approach to home upgrades, Southside Concrete Polishing is the best choice for you. If you need a trusted choice in local flooring contractors, you need to call us first for your home now. Save more on lasting quality now and hire our team today. Call +1 646 760 4442. Website ssconcretapolishing.com.